Hello everybody, welcome back to Sparkle Web. My name is George Okunamat. So in this very video I want to show you my project inventory management system that I built. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. You can either log out here or you come here and you click on log out. It's going to log out. So if you're a new user or you don't have an account with us, you can go ahead and put in your username, email, password, confirm your password, you sign up. Or if you already have an account just like me, you come here to sign in. You're going to put your username. I'll go ahead and put my username and I'll put my password and I'll sign in. So it's going to redirect me back to this dashboard. As you can see in this dashboard, I have here the left side. I have all my nav links, which consist of my dashboard, manage staff, add staff, manage product, add product, manage orders, and the rest. Now we look at the top, you see welcome Okunamat. So it's going to welcome a new user, or it's going to append your username here. And this is my company name, Sparkle Web Academy. And here you can click to log out. And these cards, these are just total all what we are doing in this project. We have a total product of 4, we have total staff of 2, we have total orders 1, we have total vendors 3. So basically what this project does is that it is a management system where we can impute products, we can also manage staff, we can give orders, we can give items to vendors, and we have vendors. So if I come to manage staff, for now I have 2 staff. That is why in our dashboard here you can see staff 2. Now we have the staff ID, name, sex, date employed, phone number, next of kin phone number, action. You can either edit, delete, or you can edit or you cancel. Now we also have add staff. This is a form to add staff ID, full name. You can select the sex, you select the date employed, you address, you enter the address, you enter the phone number, you enter the next of kin name, and you also enter the next of kin phone number. You click on add, or you can go back. Now you can also view products. We have a total of 4 products in our dashboard. You see total products 4. So that is why we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have serial number, product name, stock, date created by, updated by. You can also edit, and also you can also delete this. You can as well add product by name, the quantity, and you add, or you go back. You also see manage order. These are orders. For now we already sent orders to soft and 10 to quantity is 10 to vendor is George, and ordered by Kunamat, which is the username here, and date is 20 November today as of when I'm recording this video. You can also delete and edit. We are going to see all of that in just a moment. And you can also look at your vendors. For now we have just 3 vendors: Okunamat, Victoria, and Basi. You can see the unit, or you can see department or their company. Okay, for me, Sparkle Academy. Then you can see their phone number. You can also delete and also edit, and you can also add new vendors. I can also go back, and you can as well log out here. Okay, so let's go ahead and test the website, the app. Let's see how it works. Let me re-enter my passwords and my username. We are back here. Let's assume I want to add staff. I'll say okay, ID 003, full name. Let me use cap lock. I can say Stella of 4. Okay, sex a female, date employed. Let's say we employed her today, and address we can say Lagos Street, Akampa. Our phone number, you can just do random figures. Next of kin, you can say favor favor of 4, and you can give the phone number of the next of kin. You click on add. As you can see, the third person noun is Stella of 4, female, and these are the information. Now as you can see that the newest entries comes first, whereas you see the number is 3, but we have first, second, third. So that is what we did in our codes. Our code, I said, if we go to my products, where is it? Let's go up to my products. This is add order, add products. I say it should order it by, this is add products. Okay, so if I want to view the product, view product, where is that view? Okay, product list. I say I should order by date created, so I should select all but order it by date created. So that is why you see that the last one is coming from, because we say it should start from descending order. Okay, we have been able to add a new staff. Now let's go ahead and add product. This is our product view. Let's add product. I want to say I need shovels, and the quantity is 20, and I go ahead and click on add. As you can see, shovel is now, but here I did not order it by ID. Shovel is coming here 20, and they created today and created by me. Now I can go ahead and also, okay, let's look at orders. This is, we only have one order. Now listen, there's one important thing I want you to note. If you look at our product, for example, shovel is 10. If I come to orders to add orders, I say I need shovel, I need 9 shovels. Vendor is let's say Basin Tui. Okay, that is the vendor. If I go ahead now and I click on add orders, so I now have to order shovels 9. Now if you come back to your products here, you can see that shovel is now let's refresh this. Let's refresh this. Product list, shovels is 11. Okay, let's try another. Let's look at shipping. Shipping is 25. Let's add orders again. Let's say shippings. Let's say quantity of 10. Vendor to judge, and we send. Now shippings with 10, and we refresh. Let's come back to manage product. Now you can see shippings was 25, but I ordered 5. I ordered 10. Okay, so that is why it's now left with just 10 of it. So let's 15 rather. Let's look at this soft sand. Okay, soft sand is 10. Let's order soft sand. Let's see, is 10. Let's remove 2. It should be left with 8. Let's refresh. Go back to your managed product. You can see that soft sand is now 8. Okay, so that is how once you make orders, it's going to minus it automatically from the stock in our product list. Now let's also look at vendors. This is our vendors. We have 3 vendors. Now you can delete and also edit. So let's go ahead and add new vendor. We can say we want to add another vendor. Let's say Kuma John as a product. It's coming from medical. We are sending medical equipment to this person, and we are going to put the phone number. Let's just go and put a random number, and we add. So as you can see in our vendor list here, Kuma John medical has been created. So you can also go ahead and add others, and say gravel. And okay, let's go to shovel. Let's look at shovel here. Shovel here is 11. So let's go ahead and do an add order. Okay, let's come to add orders. Let's use shovels. Let's say 10, and let's say Kuma order this, and we send. So we now have here shovels 10 by Kuma John. We refresh and go back to manage product. Our shovel now is left with just 1. So it has been minus. So this is a full functional inventory management system. Okay, now let's see how we can edit. If I want to edit this shovel by quantity to add it to make it another 10, I come here, I say I increase it to 3 and update. You see that shovels now is 3. If I want to go ahead and delete something, I can say okay, I delete this shovel and it goes automatically. For product, if I want to also delete stuff, I can come here and delete this stuff. Okay, and it's going to delete for us. Okay, the stuff was deleted. I can also edit this stuff, edit the number, the name, sex, and the rest. I can update or I can cancel. I can also come to manage product and also edit this product. I say gravel 2 and I go ahead and edit. Now we now have gravel 2. I can also come here and click on logout and it takes us back here. So if you want the source code for this project, you can go on the comment section and comment that you need the source code, and or if you want me to build something like this for you, you can also contact me. My email is on my channel. You can as well contact me to build something like this for you. If you are a business owner or a company or an individual, a school, I can also build school management system. So whichever one you want me to build for you, you can also contact me to build for you. So once again, my name is George from Sparkle Web Academy. What we do, we specialize in business management services by building inventory management system, student enrollment, building dashboard, building school management system, enrollment system, and the rest. So we basically specializes on business management system. So if you find this video helpful, just go and just smash that like button, also subscribe and also share this video. Please don't forget to comment on the comment section and let me know your thought, or if you have a better way to do this. So as you can see, we now have 4 products. If you go to product, we have 4. If you have, we now have 2 staff. You go to staff, we have 2, and we also have 3 orders. If you go to manage orders, we have 3, and we also have 4 vendors. If you go to manage vendor, we have 4. So this is the full functional inventory